Yeah, this is my shop, yeah. My little black, my little sanctuary. Always there, I do the work, yeah. Put in the work, try to do something right. But you know the energy go already. Once you try something right, somebody always I try for wrong, you know. Yeah man, but come take a walk with me. I'll show you what's popping. Jamaica set up like this, you know. Yeah man. Well, my community set up like this. From once mankind cannot program you, them try them best to put it down here, son. But I'm not gonna make nobody put me to the dirt, you know. Because me have what it takes to defend I myself. So me have to try my best to protect my 3 points. But they are river fishing, and at the very first time from me fishing, and in my lifetime of fishing, I never know say them the fish them was stuck on the stone, suck stone or you want to call it. I never know say them bite line in it. Look at this. This is what we do in Jamaica, you know. Get something strong. The events. Some blessings. Some party. Yeah man. Pepsi. Nice. Don't drown it, my boy. First shot, man, you can't make it too strong, you know. Manners, my general. Blessings, man. General, him on the road.
No, me ask you.
When Crunchy and Mario sing. I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure
I'm foreign, man. I said June. Lewis.
Yeah, this is Middle East, Somerset, you know. Blessed grounds. My circle. Come take a walk, I show you how I'm going. Yeah, man. This is how we live in Jamaica, you know. Try to keep it peaceful, but it's amazing to see what people would do just to make you uncomfortable, you know. It's amazing to see what people would do. Yes, brother check. When them know, say, they don't have nowhere to go. Yeah, man. Mom. Morning. Yeah, it's a sad world we live in, you know. A whole heap of niceness, but a whole heap of downfall from time to time, but I have a little thing I want to share with the world about my community, you know. It might seem like it's a lot of niceness, but it is no better rose. This is my block. You know this something go. It's a blessing, man. But I have a lot of things I'm more filling in upon. Some little nooks and crannies. Some things that make Jamaica a really violent place.
And one we have to have something so we take your mind off everything.
True. Yes, man, because when you play the game, last, you know. It's like me, you know.
When you a big man up your Candy Crush and you say, listen, big man, you know, I got your Candy.
Yeah, man. A sweet game, you know, man.
After all of the teachers here, you know, the teacher, all kind of thing. You know, I set them right. I see you something like that.
Yes, when you play Candy Crush,
You're mad, you know.
the world are moving, you
No,
know.
you're mad.
Yeah, man.
Right now, you're mad.
Alright.
It's a lot of regret.
Still, you have to have something to focus on, or you have a spot where everybody use it.
That's why I feel love the fishing so much. Yeah, man. I'm not going to feel like a real. You love the fishing.
Yeah, man.
Alright. All I trouble is there.
It come like the world even exists.
And when we come back a yard, Mr. That pick up my line, you back and go there. When you have the line up the line and set it.
I am not the type of youngster that you can pick up on any given day and carry a piece of metal to and say, oh, this is what I'm packing. Something like that would mess up your and I man friendship. Something like that would make me stay far from you. Yeah man. That is just who I am in a real life. There you are there. Always I take it easy, you know. Yeah man. You have some people them want to kill you for nothing. It's sad. You see me, but at least we get to say something before something happens. Yeah, stop at seafood. Come get a few goods, you know. Yeah man, it's a blessing man. Rain just start and you know there's something go. After this day I hope for the best, you know. The weather is on, boy I tell you. Rough. Wanna hurry up and beat that weather and still grab them goods here and running back in on the hillside before the road.
More one charter chicken Maggi and one charter all-purpose Maggi.
I'm just a regular Jamaican that's trying to survive, yeah. Come. What you need? Hmm? You don't do it for yourself, you relax. Alright. There crossroad, you know. Yeah man, someone said crossroad for me, the barber, you know. Get myself cleaned up, properly put together. So blessing. Master them a boy. You know it's something go. Yeah. Now that the hard work at it, you know. General I do the maths. Yeah man, I'm gonna go touch that seat in a few minutes, you know it's something go. Yeah man, blessings every time man. Hard working fella. Yeah, back again, you know. Jade and that. You see it? Yeah, man, there's a lot of people around here do me wrong, you know. See? I mean, I highlight them because I have the clips, you see? Yeah, man, it's a blessing. Yeah. So we up and about another day. Bun bad mind, bunny pagan, bun parasite. Like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man, it's a blessing to be up and a vibrant day. Just chilling.
Fire